Hey guys, so I wanted to come and show you this install. This is going to be my labor and delivery hair. So I did get a quick weave, and the hair that I used is from Sam's Beauty, so it's very affordable. Originally when I got this hair, I was planning to do something else with it because I did get a closure, but this is what I decided to go with. I already had the hair, and this is the style that I had in mind for my labor and delivery because it's just really easy and very messy the way that I have it curled and stuff. So I can kind of just clip it back and then bring my flat iron and do a few curls and be good to go. Like, it's not really polished, if you will. Like, it's a little polished, but it's more messy looking. So this is the style that I went with. So my bundles were actually a lot longer. Of course, you will get shorter bundles if you want to do this style. But yeah, I was gonna do a different style, so we just ended up cutting the hair. So I had a 26, 24, 22, 20, and then I also had a closure, which I did not use. And I did get my hair installed by my best friend. So you will see me getting my quick weave. It's just little clips and stuff. I didn't record the whole process because they would have just been too long, but I'll show you, like, you know, parts where I'm getting my braids, parts where she's gluing in the tracks, parts where she's cutting the hair and stuff like that, so you can see the process of doing this style. So I did an asymmetrical tight bob, like it's shorter on this side, a little longer on this side, and the back goes up a bit. I did this style before with a sew-in from the same person who did this, but I didn't want this to be something that was too long lasting because, you know, I want to be able to take this out and still do my other styles. But this is mainly for my labor and delivery, and also for Thanksgiving because this week is Thanksgiving. So if y'all want to see how we did this look, let me show y'all the back. I just curled it. Okay, so if y'all want to see how we did this look, then keep on watching. I think I also did have a clip of me curling the hair and kind of styling it, but I changed my baby hairs up a bit. So this is how I ended up doing them, just like one swoop with a little baby hairs there and a, you know, a sideburn piece. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, dolls, so here are the bundles. I'm just kind of going through showing you the packaging and the lengths and everything that I got. So I got a 26, 24, 22, and a 20. So this is the hair, and this is from the brand Unique, and this hair is from Sam's Beauty. So this is how it looks, and it is a body wave hair. So now you can see I have already started to get my braids, and I'm doing a quick weave. So we're going to be doing a side part, and this is going to be a bob. So this is my hair that is left out, and this is my braids in the back. My hair was actually too long for this style since I wanted a shorter, like medium length type bob, but my hair would hang down longer than the actual bob was. But I didn't mind going ahead and trimming off some of my hair so that I could do this style. So, you know, if you don't want to cut your hair, then if your hair is longer, then of course you're going to have to do a longer bob. But I committed to the style, and I just went ahead and cut it because it's going to grow back, so not a big deal to me. And now you can see her actually adding the tracks on, and the way that she did it is she's doing 2 tracks at a time, so this saves time. And she is a licensed hairstylist, so, you know, she got this down, and I let her do what she do. So yeah, you can see it's 2 tracks that she has, and she's adding them on 2 at a time instead of track by track. So 2 tracks at a time, if y'all know what I'm saying. So yeah, in between adding the tracks, she will go in with the blow dryer and blow dry the hair down to make sure that it is sticking down really well. And you can see how the back is looking and everything like that. And throughout the process, she is adding in 2 tracks. So you can see here there are 2 tracks being added. I just want to make sure that I am telling y'all that so you can really get the gist of how she's doing this. Whenever I do a quick weave on myself, I go row by row, which is 1 track at a time. So now we have worked our way up to the top, and now she is adding tracks on at the top. I think once she got to the top, she probably added them on one by one, but I'm not really sure. So now we have all of the tracks on. So now she's going to go in and start cutting the hair. And she's just asking me how long I want it and everything like that before she actually goes in and starts to cut the hair. So she is just kind of doing a blunt cut at first. And then we are going to go in and add some layers because I did want a nice layered, messy looking bob with some curls. I didn't want to wear this hair straight, and I actually didn't wear it straight at all while I had it installed because now I have actually taken my hair down actually this week as I am filming this. So I did wear this hair for my labor and delivery and also afterwards for a couple of weeks, and I got my hair done just in time because right after I got this hair done, like the next week, I actually ended up going in and having my baby, and I did end up missing Thanksgiving. So this was not my Thanksgiving style. Well, I guess you can say it was, but I was in the hospital because I actually had my baby the day before Thanksgiving. So like I said, she is just cutting the hair and doing more so of a blunt cut at first, and then she will go back in and add some layers in. And I also did have to cut my hair to commit to the style. Once again, for anyone who wants this style, if your hair is longer, then you know you're gonna have to cut your hair or use a closure or a frontal or something like that if you don't want to cut your hair. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I just left some clips in so y'all can really see what was being done since I didn't do this myself. I could have done this style on myself, but y'all know I was pregnant and I didn't really feel like doing my own hair. So, you know, when you got a bestie that's a stylist, then you just call her up and get her to come over and slay your hair real quick. So yeah, we're just going in and cutting off more. I wanted the front part on this side a little bit shorter. It was a little long at first, but you will see the finished product and how everything went well together. Because to me, if the front part is just too long, like it doesn't look as good and as natural. So yeah, she's just cutting more and more and cutting in layers now. And like I said, I just left some clips in so y'all can see what is being done. So everything is looking good, and this hair is body wave, so it does have like a wave to it. You can wear it how it is if you want this kind of messy look, but I did want some curls in the hair, and before she actually added the curls in, she did flat iron the hair first, which I usually wouldn't do. I would probably just go in and start curling, but she wanted to see how full the hair was going to be because I was kind of concerned that it was going to be too thick because we did actually use all 4 bundles. There was only a couple of tracks left, which was not very much at all. So before she actually goes in and starts to style the hair, she is going in with the blow dryer and just kind of straightening the hair out with some heat from the blow dryer first. And then she went in and she flat ironed the whole head of hair or the whole quick weave, so now you can see the hair straight. It's also a cute style straight as well, so you know you could do either or. But after she flat ironed it, now she's going back in with the flat iron and doing some curls in the hair with the flat iron. So just some really loose flat iron curls. And I did end up packing my flat iron to bring to the hospital, as well as some edge control, my edge brush, you know, a scarf and stuff like that. So I did also pack that into my hospital bag. If y'all did watch my hospital bag video and you were wondering where the hair products were or what I did to my hair, so this is what I ended up doing. So yeah, now she's just curling and working on the front, and you can see my hair because it is looking really fuzzy. There aren't any products in my hair or anything like that, and my hair has not been flat ironed out at all yet. But once everything is done, it will all blend together really, really nicely. So you can see here what we're doing. It's kind of repetitive for me to just do a voice over in this video because I'm kind of saying the same thing over and over. But I didn't want to take out too many clips in this video because I wanted y'all to be able to see pretty much everything. So yeah, now she's kind of flat ironing my hair and also doing some curls on my hair as well to blend them in with the quick weave. So yeah, this style did last probably maybe a month or like 3 weeks or something like that. I kept it in and like I said, I did just take it down. So yeah. everything is looking real good. My hair is not laid, and like I didn't get my baby hairs done or anything because I like to do that myself. So I just had her to go ahead and flat iron and curl the hair for me. So all I would have to do is do my baby hairs and, you know, do my little finishing touches that I like to do. So you can see how the hair is looking. It's really pretty. This hair is really shiny and very bouncy, and it worked out great for what I wanted to do with it. So now I'm going to show you dolls how the back is looking, and you can see my hair, the hair is not really even parted or like laid, but I will do that later like I said. So yeah, so this is the back of the hair, and the cut is really cute. This is like my go-to kind of bob that I like to have unless I do like a middle part sleek kind of bob. So now you can see I'm going back in and I'm kind of adding a few curls in just to define the hair a little bit more. And then I'm also going to go ahead and do my baby hair. So this particular day I did get my hair done, and then I got together with my family. So I went ahead and styled my hair how I wanted it to be. And then the intro clip and also the outro clip is actually on my last doctor's appointment visit, which is when I found out that I was about to be going to have my baby. Like, it's so crazy how everything worked out. But I will have my labor and delivery video up for y'all to tell y'all the full story. So I'm just doing a little sideburn piece, and then I ended up just doing one baby hair swoop and then adding a little bit of baby hairs to the front area because I feel like this style didn't really need a lot of baby hairs because it was just too much. So you can see I'm just laying my baby hairs in the front as well, how I want them to be, so everything looks nice and cute. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and seeing how I got my hair for my labor and delivery, and this style worked out perfect for what I wanted it for. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, dolls, so that is pretty much it for this hair and the style and everything like that. And yeah, so this is going to be my labor and delivery hair, and if you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.